Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the screen recorder in CapCut PC. Whether you're recording gameplay, tutorials, presentations, or software demonstrations, CapCut's built-in recorder makes it incredibly easy to capture, edit, and export all in one place. So to locate the screen recorder features on CapCut, you need to use it on CapCut PC. And once you open CapCut PC, you'll see this record screen button. So when you click it, you'll see this area where you can select which part that you want to record. You can go with whole screen like this or only a certain part of your screen. For example, I'm going to go with this part right here. And then if you're ready, you can just tap on this red button to start recording. Now it will be counting down, and you can pause or you can click on this stop button to stop the recording. Here you can click on stop recording and you'll see this pop up. So this is where you see or you can preview the recording video. You can download it directly, or if you want to edit it more in CapCut, you can choose this edit more or choose these three options. You can add auto captions, enhance the voice, or change the voice. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can use screen recorder in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one.